Well, welcome to another video in a 22 Ram 3500 high output with a single rear wheel. I'm going to be doing a quick 0 to 60 here. We are going slightly uphill, but yeah, let's just see how she does. See if I can do it without spinning the tires this time. All right, that was a pretty good launch. I rolled on it pretty slow. But yeah, pretty quick. It's on 35-inch Maxxis Rzrs, some real aggressive mud tires. It not lifted or anything, but yeah, she's a pretty powerful truck. I think it's what, 375 horsepower, or is it 420? I think it's 420 horsepower and 1,075 foot-pounds of torque. But yeah, thanks for watching. There's going to be a picture of the truck, and we are also going to have a walk around of this one, just like the 95 here. Once weather gets a little nicer, I can wash it off, because I really don't drive this in the winter. This is actually the first like hard day of use it's had since October, and this is currently April 7th, so it's been setting for a few months because I just don't drive it in the salt and kind of just leave it. But yeah, here's just mileage. The MPG, just ignore. It's been setting for, gosh, since October, like I said, and I've used it to just jump start the old tractor there. Other than that, I fed cows with it a few times. There's some cows over there, but yeah, it's pretty much only been on the farm and off-road since October. 6 months or so, 5 months, if I did the math right in my head. So yeah, any questions, just leave a comment. If you want to see something specific about the truck, like any of the radio features. I know it's dirty. I haven't cleaned this thing in a long time. Yeah, let's see if I can pull up some gauges here, if I remember where they are. Just some bigger gauges if you want to see those. Then you got pitch and roll, steering angle. But yeah, if there's anything in particular you'd like to see about this, it's a Longhorn edition, so it has the real nice interior. But yeah, just leave a comment. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.